I'd had cancer when I was a teenager and had been treated successfully for lymphoma. Since then, I have been blessed with decades of good health. No symptoms, no problems, just did everything. And then about 8 years ago, I was playing golf with my husband, and that just got harder and harder. Shortness of breath was the big thing, and fatigue. Thought it was because I was doing too many things. I was working, I was volunteering, I was a mother, a daughter. There's just a lot of demands in my life. A friend said, I think you should see a cardiologist.
Laura is one of many patients whose oncologic condition involved treatment with radiation, which cured her, but left cardiac injury. It made it a little clearer to me over time as she was progressing that we were likely seeing a valve problem. And luckily, something for which we had options that included not only traditional valve surgery, but also TAVR.
I knew nothing about TAVR, and it didn't make any sense to me. I feel so much better just talking to you about it and knowing.
Laura came to see me because she knew she needed a captain for her care. Confronting a life-threatening illness is scary. There's a lot of uncertainty. There are a lot of major medical decisions that we have to make for ourselves, and that can feel very lonely and isolating.
When I met Megan, she was so warm. She said, it's an honor to care for you. I was in tears. I thought that was so kind, and I felt, she said, I will be with you through it all.
The most important part was they would look at her as a person. They all had different specialties, they all had different things they were focusing on, but at the top of that list was caring about her.
There is a seamless communication between myself and the specialist that she sees, and that's been very effective.
With TAVR, the valve prosthesis is placed via the femoral artery. It doesn't require opening the chest that the surgical aortic valve replacements entail. A successful TAVR allows much more expeditious recovery.
2 days after I'd had the surgery, I was up and walking in the corridor.
Well, she can live life again, being able to do things with the family, go on walks and actually feel good.
My biggest goal was dancing, of course. I love to dance. We were just at a wedding last weekend and dancing with the family, having a great time. Just makes me so happy.
We always felt like we had the best people in, not just at Stanford, but the best people in the world.
She was back to her old Laura self, and that was incredibly gratifying to see. In primary care, we just like to say we're there for you, and that's actually what we see as our role.
If it wasn't for Stanford, I don't think I'd have the confidence in my own future. The doctors, all the caregivers, people who answer the phone, it's a team that they're all working in concert. It gives you such great hope. I don't worry because I know where I can turn.